Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another informative video on the Digital RNK YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this unable to update WooCommerce plugin. Okay, this is my friend's website. He reached out to me with this issue and I found a way to fix this issue. And at the same time, I thought of showing you guys how I do this. So what happened here is I deactivated the WooCommerce plugin and then I tried to install it. I'm getting this error, installation failed. If I don't install, then obviously the WooCommerce functionality doesn't work. So I have figured out a solution for this. So please watch the video till the end so that you don't miss out on the important steps that I show you in this video. Alright, go to this link wordpress.org/plugins/WooCommerce. So what I'm going to do is download the WooCommerce plugin first. And after that, go to your hosting cPanel and come to File Manager under Files option. Click on that. From here, click on that public_HTML. From your right side panel, select WP content and open the folder. Now, select the plugin folder and open that. As you can see, we have all the plugins that we have installed on our website. This is the previous WooCommerce plugin that is not working now. So select that and click on delete. We have successfully removed the existing WooCommerce plugin. The next step is to install the downloaded version of the WooCommerce plugin. So to upload the plugin, go here and click on the Upload Files option. Choose the downloaded file and click on upload. That's it. And wait for a few seconds to upload. Done. So now we have just uploaded the zipped file. Let's extract that. The options are not visible. So let me zoom out. Yeah, now it's better. Cool. Click here to extract. And wait for a few seconds to complete the extraction. So the extraction is completed successfully. Now click this folder and open. We have to move this folder to the main plugin folder. I'll just show you. Select this and click this move option. Now click on change and select plugin from here. And select this. Now click move. Go to plugins and as you can see we have the WooCommerce folder here. So now you can delete this folder. Also you can delete the zip folder as well. Now go to your WordPress and click on plugins and refresh once. So here is our new WooCommerce plugin. It's not activated, click to activate. So that's it guys. That's how you are able to fix this issue. If you still face any sort of issues, then let me know in the comment section below. Feel free to ask me any sort of questions. I'll be more than happy to help you. So if you are new here, then please consider subscribing to this Digital RNK YouTube channel because a lot of interesting, informative videos will be posted regularly. Thank you guys. See you in my next interesting video. As always, keep learning new things and share your knowledge. Peace out.